What else would you like?
Helicopters.
Helicopters? Oh boy. You like airplanes too? Yeah?
What about pirates?
That'd be fun.
Pirates?
Pirates. Ooh.
Oh boy.
Do you like Legos? Do you like the Lego pirates?
Yeah.
Where you can put your own pirates together and that kind of thing? Yeah? Do you have any of them already?
I don't know if we have those. We would like those.
Oh, Santa will have to see what he can find for you like that then, alright? Get you a good surprise with some pirates.
Okay.
Should we see what...
Olivia.
Olivia? What would you like for Christmas this year?
I want cars for Christmas.
Cars.
You want cars for Christmas?
I want cars for Christmas.
Okay.
Cars, okay.
What kind of cars do you like? You want little cars, big cars?
I want the McQueen.
The what?
Yeah. There's little McQueen.
Lightning with
Lightning McQueen from the Cars movie. Okay. I like Tow Mater. Do you like Tow Mater too?
I like tomato too.
You like Tow Mater too? Oh, that was Santa Claus's favorite.
I like Cinderella.
And Cinderella? You like Cinderella? You want a Cinderella movie, or do you like Cinderella the...
And Mama put on the bed, Daddy. We watched the Cinderella movie.
Oh.
And we watched the one who break a dress.
Hmm.
I want cards for Christmas.
Okay.